Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share very beautiful, very charming and very attractive videos of Decortalk ideas, are also trending videos of backward landscaping designs. Backward landscaping ideas of full grassy and full attractive and decent and most demanding flower designs. Landscaping are most best front designs are also innovations and different modern simplicity designs ideas are also more landscaping ideas are available to my channel, and different small grass and full long grass are also trending and adds flowers for outside, and different affordable backward landscaping tips ideas and different grassy and more attractive and grateful ideas. You will be amazing, you will be attractive in a different types of videos are all good and outdoor hide way. We want to escape to landscaping designs and more different ideas are flowersly and main gates designs are also trending, and also most attractive and decent of swimming pools ideas of landscaping and different ideas you will be amazing or also share with you, and more spacious and more gardens are also beautiful most attractive and decent ideas you will be amazing, you will be perfectly, and different types of are always be more attractive, more delightful designs. Basically we have to share with grassy designs and different types of entryways are also weddings decorations like backwards landscaping and different home enters. We have to share newest videos and with landscaping or decor with lightings and different flowers, different amazing or artificial grass are also adding with you, and different dream gardens like backwards for more decent and more trendiest videos of 2024, and many trees are more different colors flowers and different vegetables flowers like so attractive are also added at sitting areas, and different types of all good are all trendy designs of backwards are depending on your choice. Hope so I really share with newest videos in a newest design. So let's go, inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Take care yourself, take care new videos. Allah Hafiz, bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine.